Hello guys, myself Rohan Srikant Janki. I am from UT Belgavi. So today I am going to deal with the part of marketing of agricultural products. So before going to deal that, we have to know what is meant by agriculture marketing. So agriculture marketing is a process of getting goods, material, or any kind of things from or land to the consumer's hand. So it involves a lot of activities like transportation, logistics, and uh, storaging. So it mainly helps to the farmers to get their daily wages, and in the behalf of their material or products or their crops, it's provide them a profit or revenue, and it helps to live them livelihood on the basis of agriculture. And in this topic, we are going to deal with the challenges for agriculture marketing, and what are the strategies taken by companies to promote the agriculture marketing in a rural marketing. Now we are going to deal with the challenges in marketing of agriculture products. So there are many challenges. So we are going to deal with some very important aspects of agricultural problems. So first one is there are many intermediates. As we know from our childhood, in agricultural products marketing, there are many intermediates. Intermediates sometimes helps to sell the products of the farmers, and they charge some good amount of money from the farmer's profit. So it leads to gets less profit from the agricultures to farmer, and sometimes farmer not able to get the amount he spends on the agriculture. So it is a main problem in Indian agriculture marketing. The second one is inadequate infrastructure facilities in agriculture marketing. So what is mean by infrastructure in the agriculture marketing is transportation, storages or godowns, and electricity, and the new equipments. So in India there are no any equipments provided by the government to its farmers, and electricity is given only for 3 or 4 hours, and there is no any road connections to the all villages of India. So it is a main problem as we discussing now. Third one is a lack of information flow. In India, there are many regulations happens, and many taxes happens, and many rules and regulations happens relating to the agriculture marketing. But there is a no way which is connects with the last village of a farmer. So the main thing is why Indian government is not able to connect with the farmers. The one of the main reason is in India there are 80% of agriculture farmers are illiterate, so they cannot read any newspapers, and some of them this much poor they cannot afford any mobile phones and TV. So that it is a main reason for the inadequate information flow. Fourth one is Indian agriculture is depending on the natural environment. So some people called the Indian agriculture is a gambling with the nature. So if rains come good, then farmers get some good crops, and he will get some good amount of profit. If sometimes rain is not come, then the farmers is going to be in a loss. Fifth point is fluctuation in prices. There is no any fixed prices in Indian market for agricultural products. So farmer will get different prices for different days. Sometimes farmer will get good profit, sometimes he will face losses. So government have to fix some fixed amount or fixed prices for agriculture products.